Halo semuanya, selamat pagi. Kembali lagi bersama saya jalan-jalan dan praktik speaking bahasa Inggris. Dan untuk kali ini saya akan membahas tentang kenapa kegagalan itu sangat penting ketika kita belajar bahasa Inggris. So of course, karena saya praktek speaking, so I'm gonna use English for this video. So let's get started. Hello everybody. Uh, how are you today? I hope you healthy, you have mind healthy, your body healthy, everything is great, right? So in this morning, I'm gonna practice speaking in English again. But before that, you see, the sky is not so blue because a lot of cloudly, right? Cloud, yeah. But it doesn't matter. It's important is now we can practice speaking English together. So don't forget, when you want to follow this method, just try at your home. You can speaking while taking walk. Okay. Now, like what I said last time, in this morning I'm gonna talk about the good topic, right? This is about why failing is so important when we learn English. Okay. Um, when we talk about failing, of course, all of the people in the world, right, always afraid, always don't want a failing, right? They just want to, yeah, complete. Everything is complete. Everything is perfect. Everything is running well. But you have to know that when we try to practice speaking in English, when we try to learn English, everything is not like that. But we need effort to do that. For example, as like me now, why I can speak like this, because there's a lot of failing in my journey to practice speaking English. Okay, of course, I'm afraid to make mistake. For example, when I try to speak, yeah, when the first time I spoke with native speaker, with foreigners, I feel like I'm afraid to speak, to say how are you. I'm afraid to them, but I try to believe myself that I can, yeah, I can, I can, I can do this, and I can speak with native speaker. And I try to be confident to speak with tourists. Yeah, when I met the tourists and I saw them, I just say, "Hey, how are you? Where are you from? And why do you come to this place? And how do you feel when you come to this place?" Yeah, I ask, uh, I ask it to them, and of course they are open to answer the question. And I think that it's the formula. Yeah, that is the beginning of how my uh, confident practice speaking in English is progress. But now, if we are beginner and we still don't know how to start, and of course we afraid to failing, right? We're very afraid. We afraid to talk to anyone else. We just like silent. We just silent and don't say anything. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you that is my personal experience. Why failing is very important is, I think that failing is the best weapon that we can use to make a better. Yeah, we can learn new things. Like we can fix uh, what we've done. Right, we can fix and learn new things. Like, for example, we are afraid we make mistake about When we're speaking, we don't know how to start. Yeah, just start. Don't afraid. Uh, when you make mistake, we can fix it, and that's we fun to learn new thing. Okay, I think that that is the best point that we can use to fix all of our mistakes. And don't worry, because the more we speak, the more we can be confident to speak. Of course, when you imagine that you never speak, you never practice, but you want to be confident, it's hard, man. But you have to start from practice speaking. You just start and don't worry to make mistake. Mistake is the best important lesson, and we can learn from there, and we can fix it, and we can improve our speaking English. So now I'm gonna share some tips that I've done when I make mistake when I practice speaking in English. Okay, the first thing that you can do is embrace your mistake. What I mean by that is, yeah, just accept that, okay, I'm wrong. So now I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna improve myself. And of course, this is hard to accept your mistake, but you have to do that because it's very important to make yourself can be better, confident, and never afraid anymore. So next tips that I can share to you is always remember that consistent is a key to be success in speaking English. And if you feel like that, so of course you are not alone. I'm also, when the first time I practice speaking English, I'm not confident. I'm afraid, and of course that it's the best weapon that I have. So of course I use it. I practice every day in the morning, 1 until 10 minutes a day, like this. So of course, if you want to watch my videos, you can watch on my YouTube channel. That is the process of my this is the learning process of my speaking journey. So of course you can see that in the first video, yeah, I'm uh like loading, right? Yeah, loading, and then I just say something like that. So but now I feel like it's easier when I started to speak English. I'm not thinking, because it's because I have made a lot of mistake when I practice speaking English. Okay, don't worry about when you are not able to good grammar, but it's okay. Try first, and then later we fix together. So I think that in this morning about our practice speaking in English enough. Good. Speaking English enough today. So thank you very much for watching this video. But I want to say that if you uh, are afraid to speak English, and if you afraid to failing, raise your hand and then start from now. Write 3 things that make you afraid to speak in English, and then fix it. Right, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope your life is better, you're healthy, your body, your mind, everything. Keep in mind that speaking or learning is the best way to make mistake, and mistakes is the best weapon that we have to make our progress, and we can be better from that mistake and fix it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you tomorrow.